Good afternoon. This is Alex with Master Odor Removal. It's the 29th of April 2025. I was in this building 2 years ago in August. So almost 2 years ago, I was here servicing this unit for the owner who's called us back today. New tenant, new issue. Last tenant was what we like to call revenge odor. She ended up burning fish in the condo, in this lovely condo in Aventura, and nobody would move in it because it smelled like really bad cooking odor. This time they have a mildew issue. I was hoping to use the black light on this video, but you can see there's been a leak here underneath the refrigerator, and there's mildew growing in the tile, and it's growing everywhere in here. You can see it right there. So we're going to treat this floor really good, obviously, with our first step molecular chemical, all the tile. You can see it even on this side too. Hopefully you can make that out. And then the bathrooms are, to be honest with you, pretty gross in here. So we're going to service this bathroom shower stall really well. It's just a small unit. It doesn't have it doesn't have a big cross breeze. Even though there's a bedroom here, there's just not much of a cross breeze because it's more narrow than anything else. And we've inspected behind the washer and dryer unit. There's no leak. They haven't had a plumbing issue. We're going to check this carpeting for water spills, especially since it looks like they were hanging their laundry right there. See if there's any water that's collected and has mildew in it. This is the other bedroom, master. Remember this mirrored ceiling very well. It's very trippy. Obviously, there's somebody's living here, but we'll go ahead and service this bathroom really well as well. All the drains and the floors, the ceiling, the walls. Just try to kill anything that's living in here that's causing this about a level 3 mildew odor. So that's really basically it. A repeat client because the first time was awesome, and 2 years later, here we are again. All right, we look forward to earning your business too. Thanks for viewing.